All right, NASCAR Nation, this is going to be your NASCAR first round playoff review and second round predictions. So let's just jump right into it. Obviously, let's get right into it and let you know who your top 12 are. So we are going to start. The top 12 that made the field after this first set of 3 races were Denny Hamlin, William Byron, Kyle Larson, Christopher Bell, Ryan Blaney. Then we got Chase Briscoe. Chase Elliott, Bubba Wallace, Austin Cindric, Joey. Then we got Ross Chastain and Tyler Reddick. So that is your current top 12 going in the next set of 3 races. The guys who won the races in this round that automatically advanced were Denny Hamlin, Chase Briscoe, and Christopher Bell. Chase won the first one. Denny Hamlin won the second one, and Christopher Bell won this past weekend at Bristol. Now, as far as my prediction goes, I had the first 4 out as Austin Dillon, Alex Bowman, Ross Chastain, and Austin Cindric. Obviously, I got Austin Dillon and Alex Bowman right, but I did not get Austin Cindric and Ross Chastain right. So I got 2 right, 2 wrong there. The two that I got in that I didn't get right, the 2 that made the top 12 that I didn't have making the top 12 was Austin Cindric and Ross Chastain. The 2 that I had making the top 12 that didn't make it was the 2 that I didn't have making the top 12 that actually made it into the top 12 were obviously Austin Cindric and Ross Chastain. So the 2 that I had in that didn't make it would be Josh Berry and SVG, which is Shane Van Gisbergen. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, that leaves my picks obviously at 2 wins, 2 losses for the each round for the 4 out. I went 2-2 for my first 4 out, and obviously that means for the top 12 I got 10 right, 2 wrong. So I picked 10 of the 12 right, because the only 2 I didn't pick right would be Austin Cindric and Ross Chastain, who made it. So 10-2. So 10-2 for the top 12, and 2-2 for the 4 out. So let's go into this next round for my next 4 out, and I'm going to go. All right, so my next 4 out, I'm going Ross Chastain, Austin Cindric, Tyler Reddick, and this one's really hard for me because he's my favorite driver, but I am going Chase Elliott. So my next 4 out, Chase Elliott, Austin Cindric. For my next 4 out, Chase Elliott, Tyler Reddick, Austin Cindric. So my next 4 out, Ross Chastain, Tyler Reddick. So my next 4 out, Ross Chastain, Austin Cindric, Chase Elliott, and Tyler Reddick. So yeah, next 4 out, Ross Chastain, Austin Cindric, Chase Elliott, and Tyler Reddick. Which would leave the top 8 my top 8 as Hamlin, Larson, Byron, Bell, Blaney, Chase Briscoe, Bubba Wallace, and Joey Logano. So there you have it, guys. We'll see how we do. Right now, we're 10-2 for the top 12. We'll add that to my total picks this next round. So hopefully I do well again. But anyway, we'll be back in about 3 weeks to let you know who the top 8 is and how I did. All right, go Chase. Hopefully I'm wrong on one, but y'all have a great day.